Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can cancel an order after it is shipped. So firstly open up your Amazon account, then go to your orders by pressing the second icon from the bottom bar, then click on your orders, then again go inside your order. So if you scroll down, you can see the option cancel order. Just click on that and press request cancellation. I am still getting this option because the device that I want has not yet been dispatched from the warehouse. But if your product has shipped from the warehouse, what you can do is just simply click at the three lines at the bottom right corner, then scroll down and click on customer service. Now again just scroll down, then you will have two options, either chat with us or talk with us. It's up to you what you want to choose. I will choose chat with us. Now it will show you the recent order that you just placed, and it will ask, do you want help with that product? What you have to do is just press yes, that's correct. Then there will be some series of questions. Then what you have to do is just press on I want to cancel. Then again press yes and cancel this item. And then it will cancel your order in few minutes. So as you can see, I just received a mail from Amazon in which it says my order has been cancelled. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.